Best motorcycle for beginners: Honda CBR250F. The world of motorcycling beckons with the promise of adventure, freedom, and the thrill of the open road. For beginners, selecting the right motorcycle is a pivotal decision that can profoundly influence their journey. The Honda CBR250F, celebrated for its accessible performance, sporty design, and beginner-friendly features, emerges as the ultimate sport bike for those embarking on their two-wheeled exploration. With its balanced performance, modern aesthetics, and rider-focused attributes, the CBR250F provides an ideal platform for beginners to commence their journey of skill development, excitement, and sport bike riding without feeling overwhelmed. Balanced performance and approachable power. At the heart of the Honda CBR250F lies a peppy 249cc single-cylinder engine. This engine strikes a harmonious balance between power and approachability, delivering sufficient performance for spirited riding while ensuring a gentle learning curve for beginners. Sporty design and aesthetic appeal. The CBR250F boasts a sporty and contemporary design that mirrors its larger sport bike siblings. Its sharp lines, sleek fairings, and distinctive styling elements capture the essence of sport bike performance, appealing to riders seeking a bike that's visually striking and performance-oriented. Ergonomic comfort and rider-focused layout. The CBR250F is designed with rider comfort in mind. It offers a comfortable riding position that ensures ease during spirited rides and daily commutes. The well-contoured seat, upright handlebars, and neutral footpeg position contribute to a rider-focused setup that enhances the overall riding experience. Responsive handling and nimble agility. The Honda CBR250F is celebrated for its responsive handling and nimble control, making it an excellent choice for novice riders. Its lightweight chassis, precise steering, and agile characteristics empower riders to confidently navigate city streets, winding roads, and varying riding conditions. Safety features and learning confidence. Safety remains a top priority for beginner riders, and the CBR250F often comes equipped with features like optional ABS, anti-lock braking system, for enhanced braking control and rider confidence. These safety features instill trust in novice riders as they learn to master the art of sport bike riding. Versatile riding experience. While the CBR250F excels in spirited riding, it's versatile enough to handle various riding scenarios. Novice riders can comfortably use it for daily commutes, short trips, or even entry-level track days to explore their bike's capabilities. Community and rider connection. Enthusiasts of the Honda brand and the sport bike lifestyle create a welcoming community that warmly embraces beginners. Joining this community offers aspiring riders access to shared experiences, valuable insights, and connections with fellow riders who share a passion for sport bike culture and the CBR250F's capabilities. Skill growth and riding mastery. The Honda CBR250F encourages skill development as beginner riders build confidence. Riders can progressively explore the motorcycle's capabilities, refine their riding techniques, and fully immerse themselves in the world of sport bike riding. Fuel efficiency and cost savings. The CBR250F is renowned for its fuel efficiency, reducing not only environmental impact but also the cost of ownership. It enables longer rides without frequent fuel stops, making it an ideal choice for both daily commutes and longer excursions. Variety to suit every rider. The CBR250F offers a versatile platform with various color options and accessories to cater to different rider preferences. Whether it's spirited canyon carving, city commuting, or occasional weekend escapes, the CBR250F can be customized to meet the needs of each sport bike enthusiast. Conclusion. The Honda CBR250F epitomizes the spirit of sport bike riding and Honda's commitment to providing the perfect sport bike for beginners. With its accessible performance, sporty design, and dedication to rider comfort and safety, the CBR250F offers an immersive gateway to the world of sport bike riding without overwhelming novice riders. By choosing a Honda CBR250F as their first motorcycle, beginners embark on a journey characterized by growth, skill enhancement, and the embrace of a community that shares their passion for performance, exhilaration, and the joy of conquering the open road on two wheels.